Remember how I told you I was 100% committed to supporting you throughout your learning journey? Well, here I am. Hi everyone. Hope that you guys are doing well. As promised, I'm back here to help you achieve the goals that you set for yourself at the training program. Now, before we start, I just want to share with you one of my all-time favorite quotes. It's this: the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Another one that I truly like is by Mark Twain. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Now, you guys have completed the training program. It's now time to get the results that you want. You've planted the seeds. It's now time to water the plants and enjoy the fruits. If you don't take actions immediately, you will not see any results. So, what do you need to do? Here are 3 things that I think you need to do to get started. First, revisit your personal action plan. Now, this is your commitment that you made to yourself during the training program. Number 2, take action. Even if it's a small step every day, do it. The best time to start? Now. And third, along the way, as you are progressing, write down your progress in the progress plan that we have given you in your handouts. This will help to motivate you along the way. I guarantee you, if you give it 100% and you do all 3 things, revisit your action plan, take action, and update your progress, you will achieve tremendous success. And as promised, I'm going to be here to support you whenever you face challenges and also to cheer for you when you achieve success. So feel free to reach out to me anytime and stay connected. Good luck. Have a great week ahead.